This should be the final episode
Yeah.
of Ratchet Clank.
Yay!
We are at the final boss. We've got our heated man here.
Please don't phrase it like that.
Our irate man here.
Irate.
Irate.
Why am I the angry one?
I don't know. Are you getting irritated?
Not yet. I only died twice.
That's true. I would be the irate one of the two of us. But I'm not the one playing the game, so they don't get to see it yet.
No. But I've listened to you play games. You'll get there fast.
Oh yeah, I get angry real quick at games. It's a good time though.
Good time?
It's a good time.
Having such a good time?
It's a good time.
Having a ball?
Look, the more pissed off I get, the more fun I'm having. Is that a bad thing?
I mean, maybe for your health, but I don't know, depends on who you ask.
So we're already on what, like the third bar?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, it's a health thing.
Yeah.
You wanna take it? Oh yeah, this is the one with the mines.
I need to mind my own business.
You need to stop.
Look, it's the last boss. I get to make puns to make myself concentrate.
No, that's not how you concentrate though.
That's how I'm concentrating.
As a moderate damage.
Yeah.
Alright. Jump. Jump. You're almost done with the second.
Oh. Dang it.
Oh, come on. Jump. What?
I think I got stuck on a crack, like when he's probably gonna break this part up again, like he did the last time.
Yeah.
So I think I got stuck.
So you think you fell into a crack, and it just
Yeah,
like,
and it's,
not only did it not let you jump, but it wouldn't let you take damage either.
yeah. Which I'll take it. Yeah. Hilarious.
I'm having a good time.
Are you?
Yeah. Now, if I was playing it, I probably wouldn't be having a good time.
Yeah, well. I'm getting this.
Oh, he broke it up into more parts.
Yeah, he did. I don't know where I'm heading.
Forward.
Oh yeah, I see it now. I'm glad those things don't fall away while you're running on them. I mean, these do, but the big...
The big chunks?
Yeah.
It seems like something that would happen, though.
Alright, looks like that's the final area up there, though.
You think that's where you're gonna have to fight him for half of his health?
Yes, because if you notice, it's the giant space later.
So it has come
Oh.
with this. Once I step on this ignition switch, a countdown
Giant.
will commence. The end of which signals the destruction of your pitiful world.
There must be another way to make a home for your people.
You think that's what this is about? Who do you think polluted our last world? I did.
Why is it so
This
dark
is
in
about
this
one
scene?
thing and one thing only.
'Cause it's nighttime.
Cash. And lots of it. You
Okay.
see, I've been paid for every square inch of my new world. Once the inhabitants move in, I will begin polluting this world as well. Then the whole thing starts all over again. Ah, brilliant.
Why, you evil little...
So, Drek is a
Save it,
people
Clank.
person.
We have to stop that timer.
Yeah, real man of the people
Power
here.
slam will button to turn.
Yes, I realize. I've been doing
To
it.
power slam, jump and press the R1 button.
I love how it's the final boss and the game's still giving you tutorials.
Of a thing I already know how to do, no less. Alright, that's...
Suck up.
yeah. What is that? Why is he running at me? Why is that a thing that's happening?
He can't get you.
Oh, I can grind. Interesting.
Whoa. He launch that one straight at you. Are there not any more health capsules on this thing? Oh no.
What? Oh! My favorite thing is turned against me. Yeah, the Agents of Doom. They explode. Well, now they really all exploded. Dang it.
If you died here...
Or like, where will I go back to? I think I'll go back to the beginning of this part.
Let's hope.
I'm pretty sure, but I'm also not willing to just kill myself and try.
No, but I think that's gonna happen.
Oh, these things and the mines?
You can suck them.
Yes, I already figured that out. Thank you.
Alright. Sorry.
Woo!
Don't get sassy with me.
Can't suck down.
Rockets. Rocket, where's Quill?
Here they come. They are cinema.
Oh, references.
It's pop culture references are all I got going for me right now. Don't take it away. Ah, dang it, no.
No, I love it. I love references. It's fun.
No, I have to start all over.
No.
Dang it.
Oh no.
That's a real beauty.
That's a problem.
That's
So
a
this
real
game
beauty.
hates people. That's what I'm getting out of this.
Where's this dude? That takes me back to my ship. Right. Well, I beat it when I was a children. I'm sure I can beat it now.
Yeah, just play it like you were a children.
So you want to go buy all the weapons even though I don't need them?
Yeah. What did you beat? Do you remember when you beat how you beat it when you were 10?
No. Pretty much just one only used on this stage. I'm only using it.
Alright, next phase.
Alright, the next phase can be beaten with rockets and suck. So,
Okay.
we'll get the mad suck.
Well, how much are minigun bullets?
They're only a bolt.
For buying them on the spot?
On the spot? I don't know. Oh goodness. I'm glad those things don't start going down when you're hanging on the edge.
But yeah, like, think about buying them on the go.
Well, they're really not that helpful because on that first wave you only have to think about like 2 things. So like on this wave there's a lot more you have to think about. Like the mines and stuff. At least I don't need that.
Leave that open. Okay.
I just need to throw out the bombs.
Shoot those back at them.
Yeah. And what's nice about those is it clears the stage.
Oh, because you can't get more.
What? No,
So-
like when he shoots his bomb, it clears off all the other mines.
Yeah, so you can't
So
get more mines.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's nice because I don't have to worry about them.
I guess.
See, because like they're everywhere,
I mean, at this point,
but now they're not.
I mean, but at this point, I'm looking at them from like a weapon standpoint. Like that's a lot of weapons that are just exploding.
But you just want to throw out more.
I guess.
Ooh, you're gonna have to keep the conversation going. 'Cause I have
Okay.
to focus.
Okay. So here we go. Oh.
You're not doing well. Just talk about something.
Talk about something.
Story time.
Story time. Man shoots mines.
Man shoots
Man
mines.
shoots mines. Mines shoot man.
Oh. Is it a man that makes the mine or a mine that makes the man?
I think it's the chicken that laid the egg.
I wish he would make his mine up already.
Shut up. So, no puns.
No puns?
No puns.
Why?
Because that's a race of people.
What?
In Xenoblade. They're
Is-
not pun.
Huh?
They're no pun.
What?
No, never mind. You don't play Xenoblade.
No.
It's a great game.
You keep bringing it up.
Because it's a great game and I love the series.
Yeah.
I'm
but-
sorry.
Oh no.
I'm sorry for wanting to talk about one of
thing
my
you like.
favorite things.
Like no. How dare you talk about a thing you like?
How dare I? Why don't we just talk about this and that how great it is? Okay, next phase. Hey, what is that? Is that a moon?
I think it's a moon.
Is
Oh,
it a
it's
moon?
the Insomniac logo.
Is it really?
Pretty much, yeah.
Wait, what's the Insomniac logo?
Well, Insomniac's logo is a moon, like partially obscured by clouds.
Oh, that's so clever. That really is clever. I like it.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Now we're here.
I have not to jinx it. I've taken no damage.
Shut up.
I'm just saying I got here really well. Oh goodness, not this again.
Quick, to the rails. To the rails.
To the rail.
To the rail.
To the window.
To the wall. To the sweat drop down my balls. And all you
Oh no! Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, let's not take no damage just to fall off, please.
Okay, so this is the one where he shoots the dogs too.
We're not dogs.
Whatever.
And really, I should be using that weapon too.
Use it.
I am actually.
Use it. Use it. Can you take over his?
No, that's not how that weapon works.
Oh.
Dang it, but they are gonna blow up his. Actually, since I don't need gadgets anymore, I'm about to retool my my weapon real quick.
Okay.
And let's go ahead and put these on there. And I think that's actually all the weapons. No. Yeah.
Alright. Well. Why aren't you shooting them at him?
I don't really have the dexterity to be doing that in this.
Alright, there we go. Well, what's
Man,
your dex
imagine how-
modifier?
Imagine how hard this fight is. Oh, dang it! If
You
you
didn't answer my question.
negative.
Negative.
Anyway, imagine how hard this fight would be if I didn't have the suck gun. It's not stopping. My controller's broken. Look. No, look.
Oh no.
It is
Change your
actually-
weapon.
I can't. I can't. It's broken.
Pause the game.
I can't.
Go to the home screen.
I can't.
For the PS2?
There isn't one. Okay. Quick, pull it out.
Okay. Okay. And there we go.
It's not a controller issue. The game's glitched.
Oh no.
Maybe.
Tonight I'm blown.
I don't.
Well, you can't beat the game this way.
I know, but I don't know what to do.
Die.
But I work so hard.
I know.
Oh wait, I know what to do.
Brian?
Yeah. Oh, it's still going. It's supposed to cancel it. Oh no! Why is this
You're
the?
dead. You're dead. You can't go.
I don't want. No.
Wait, it stopped.
Oh, it did stop. Why'd I throw out that weapon?
It doesn't matter. Don't run into him. I don't like this weapon anymore.
Wait, where'd the ammo come from?
It doesn't matter. Stop. Stop dying.
I'm trying. It made it very hard all of a sudden. I got tilted.
What are you?
Where are all these ammo boxes? How about you give me a health box? Or a juice box?
Jeez. go up to him, slap that man. Oh! Wait, what are you doing?
Throwing them out. Alright, that's all in this episode.
We've made no progress.
Can't believe the slut gun jam. I need a minute. We'll come back in a bit, you guys.
Oh no.